positive trading day today in the stock indexes and in the portfolios that we traded. Let's take a look here. We traded for the 50K portfolio, we traded one micro NQ20 plus 575. One position open as we wait for Apple earnings. I guess that could affect it. I'll show you that strategy in a minute. 200K portfolio, double that, two micros, micro NQ20. These are real results with an open position that it could change. It could improve or get worse depending on how it closes out. The futures close, the stock market closes at 3 Central. The futures close at 4 Central, 5 Eastern, and the 50K portfolio minus 975. The one we were trading and are not trading is minus 975. So we didn't trade this one, and it was down minus 975. 200K portfolio that we were trading and didn't trade is at plus 880. It had an update today. And I want to show you the strength is our stock indexes. So in the 200K portfolio, I sum these up. You see the ES was up 34.25 today. The Nasdaq was up 475. Crude oil was down 945. Gold lost 2,050. I want to show you the 200K portfolio trades in a minute after we go over the micro trades and the 50K portfolio trades as well. So minus 25 scratch trade on copper, plus 880. But you see the strength is in the stock indexes. So stock indexes are still holding up. Normal drawdown with an update today, and here are the micro strategies. 8 contract trades. This you see this constant propping up. We had an afternoon prop up. I feel like a broken record when I say this because you see this. It's noon and the prop up team comes in. They'll either drive it up or keep it from selling, but we could see some further selling. And this VSD is an aggressive strategy. When you trade multi-strategies for diversity, you have a diversity of exits. So while this looks really stupid that this was all given back, well, how could you let that come back? You have to have a diversity of exit strategies. You can't do the same exit strategy. You can't manage every system the same way. And sometimes when you try to improve strategies like this, it makes the system worse. On a discretionary basis, yeah, there's a lot better ways to exit this trade today, but how do you know, how would you know how to switch between that on other days? You have to put in a position. This is one that you want to let it run, and so this is a strategy that lets it run, and we risk, you know, giving up a big gain to get the big winners. And so that's what works for our diversity of portfolios. If we make all strategies the same, you're going to lose diversity. And so you have to trade strategies that don't fit your personality in an algorithmic trading systems portfolio to get that diversity. And so it might drive you crazy. You see, you know, momentum reversal is another one of our new strategies. It took short trades yesterday, stopped out, and then the market finally broke. And today stopped out, finally got a winner, reversed it alongside. That was stopped out, up a little bit on momentum reversal. Tick pulse. Yesterday it just we lost on this one. We tried to go long, we tried to go short, it wouldn't break either way. Today we got the trend, and tick pullback, lost today. Stock index swing 1, October 2022 1. And so those are the basic trades in the NQ portfolio that we have. I'm going to show you the 200K portfolio trades now. So in the 200K portfolio, we traded the two micro NQs. We didn't trade this, but this is what we were trading. Minus 825 on SR counter trend 2, SR counter trend 2 V2 1M minus plus 575, plus 175 on gap fill master, and cover 3 ES plus 575. 60-minute breakout short had a good day. Two profit targets plus 1950. VIX OC plus 975, so plus $3,400 on ES. Nasdaq strategies, Cobra 3 had its 11th loser in a row, minus 625. SR counter trend 2 NQ plus 775. AT 2020 NQ minus 725. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M plus 575, and stock index swing plus 475. Crude oil. In this strategy right here, not in this, but this is the Cobra Crude Swing, or not Cobra Crude, but Crude Swing 2022, down, gap fill and reverse down, Cobra Crude aggressive down, the SR counter trend 3A plus 475, and then natural gas, no trades. Gold was the big loser on the day. We had some hope for this strategy, because the market had been reversing wildly and now it's not. So we've cut gold for now, we've cut crude oil, we're working on stock indexes only, and minus 2050 on this strategy, which has performed poorly. Copper, this just took a signal, so I didn't include that in my calculations. Copper breakout, home run, just got long, kind of like that, kind of don't. It's coming down. Once something comes back to support frequently, then it can break down. Bullish long-term copper, but these are short-term strategies, so not trading copper right now. Silver and soybeans, no trades. These are the cover crude strategies that have done really well, and this one is in the micro NQ portfolio. Wanted to phase into this one, haven't done that yet, and this one has caught some big trades in crude oil. Let's look at our indicator as well. Here is a video made about divergence, continued divergence, more selling pressure in the markets, and so while the market was up, the net selling was down in the futures, and so it never really rolled over. You see the 400 and that's 109. Let's look at the Nasdaq on this, because we've been tracking the price movement in the Nasdaq, and 470 is about the high level. 456 once again, a lot of price movement in the Nasdaq, still a lot of volatility coming back here towards the week close. We'll have to see if the market's going to roll over and sell off into the weekend, or if it's just going to find support here and rally, or if it's just going to chop around on Friday. But here are the market internals. Wild swings from plus 2,000 to minus 1,500, 2 days in a row. Market was up, went down, market came up again, was down. At some point, one side has to win. This wide-ranging battle between the bulls and the bear is getting quite exhaustive, and I tend to think that the market will go lower, that it's been artificially propped up here once again, and that we're due for some more downside, and it's natural after all the run-up that we have, but we'll see. VIX is actually down on the day, so that's typically bullish, but I don't know that VIX seems to be underestimating the risk in this market lately, so we'll see. And so those are the trades on the day for 200K, and the 50K is, here's what it did. Covered 3 lost, SR counter trend 2 lost, and then SR counter trend 3 crude was profitable. So it was good to trade the micro Nasdaq today, which was a winner in this portfolio instead, and to break that losing streak, because it's been brutal with this volatility. But once again, the stock indexes in general, over a wide range of stock indexes are our strength. I know that in this portfolio, some of these stock indexes have not been our strength, but a wide range of stock indexes have. So continuing with the stock indexes, tomorrow's the last trading day of the week, and Monday is the last trading day of the month. Those are the trades on January 27th, 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.